Welcome back to another panel company video, guys, and in today's video I'm going to be talking to you about silicons and adhesives, where you need to use them, which ones to use depending on what you're going to be doing, and we'll just run through it very briefly. So in terms of silicons, we sell three colours. I think we do black, white and clear. So for most people you're going to be using white or clear. We sell a contractor's one and a sanitary one. Main differences being is the sanitary one has ingredients in it that essentially stop your silicone discolouring, stop it going mouldy. So we use that for a finished silicone only. You wouldn't want to use this doors and windows one in your bathroom, around your bath, anything like that. It's an external silicone really. The clear one is what you'd use as an adhesive. So if you are going on top of tiles, which is the main reason why you'd use silicone, you can use one of these as well, which I'll talk about in a sec. But going back to this one, if you're going to go on top of tiles, you want to be using a clear silicone only, no coloured silicons. There are ingredients inside coloured silicons that just essentially mean that they don't stick as well. You'll find that you do get a little bit of grab, but it's not really enough. So just bear in mind, if you're going on top of tiles, if you're paneling shower panels on top of tiles, you need to use clear silicone only. And like I said, so finishing silicons, white and black we sell, and clear of course as well, you can use clear. A lot of the times if you're going to go up to a bath, if you're not using a clad seal or if you're not using any trims, you would just use a white silicone. This blends in with your bath quite well, as long as you get a decent bead on there. Make sure that you smooth it off. We sell all the smoothing tools as well. We'll link everything in the description, everything I'm talking about here as well, so you can find it easily. And that's pretty much it for silicons really, just making sure that you pick the right one. So if we're sealing baths, showers, sinks, anything like that, we use sanitary. If we're sticking things to walls, we're going to use the clear LMN silicone that we sell by Cyraflex. If you are going on to plasterboard, plaster, concrete boards, if you've got a tiling substrate that you've found underneath the tiles that you've just knocked off or anything like that, you've got essentially two main options. So you've got Pink Grip. Pink Grip is obviously a really well-known brand. Everybody knows what Pink Grip is. It's just a grab adhesive. Very important that if you're using our shower panels, that it is solvent-free. So if you are using any other grab adhesive, you need to make sure that it is solvent-free. We sell the solvent-free one. It's on our website. It's cheap. It is essentially will do most applications. Differences between these two, essentially this isn't as an instant grab. So if you're doing your job and you need to get it done quick, this takes between 24 and 48 hours to cure fully. So just bear that in mind if you are needing to get something done in a rush. This will take longer to go off. That being said, if you do need to do something quicker, you can upgrade to this one. This one being slightly more expensive, but the benefits that you get from this one are it's instant grab. You will actually struggle to move your panel once you've compressed this against the wall. You can essentially use this to bond anything to anything. So if you've got a substrate that is a little bit different, that you're not quite sure, will Pink Grip work? This one's probably your safest bet. This one will work with pretty much anything. So that's a little rundown. PVC shower panels, if you want to use silicone, obviously you can't use silicone to stick slat wall on. You need to be using either the Pink Grip or the Cyraflex Trade Strength. That'll just mean that you get that adhesion that you're looking for when you're doing that as well. So I hope that clears it up. If you've got any questions regarding any of the products, we'll link everything in the description so you can find it nice and easy. If you've got any questions about anything I've gone over in the video, just drop us a comment and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. And we'll see you in the next one.